What's up, everybody? I'm back in the building, man. And look, I've been checking out a lot of new songs, man. And this song is definitely crazy, man. Janet Jackson, No Sleep, featuring my man J. Cole. Crazy, man. First of all, Janet Jackson is a legend in the game. And no disrespect to J. Cole, because J. Cole nice, man. I know that had to be a great feeling to get that call or just to be featured on that song, though. That means you had to be on a whole nother level if Janet thought you was good enough to come on her track. Not saying J. Cole ain't nice, but you know how the superstars is. Janet Jackson is a superstar. So the song is called No Sleep. Go check the video out, though. Janet being sexy as Janet can be. J. Cole, you lucky, J. Cole. You could have asked for some help in that video. It was only featuring you. Shoot, we could have did the me and Janet a scene and then you. I don't know. But yeah, go check out that video, man. It's definitely crazy, man. Shout out to J. Cole, because that boy out there grinding. And Janet Jackson, if you watching this, keep watching Janet Jackson. I'll be back.